If you're skeptical about making money online, you're not alone. But in this video, I'm going to address those doubts and show you concrete ways to earn money from the comfort of your home. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have practical strategies that can change your financial future. But before we jump into the money-making strategies, here's a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that the online economy is expected to double in size by 2025? That means there are more opportunities than ever before to earn money online, and you can be a part of this booming trend. 1. Freelancing. Let's start with one of the most accessible ways to make money online. Freelancing. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or even a social media whiz, there's a high demand for freelancers in 2023. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com connect you with clients from around the world. Create a killer profile, showcase your skills, and start bidding on projects. Remember, consistency and quality work are the keys to building a solid freelancing career. 2. Online courses. Now here's a strategy that's been gaining momentum. Creating and selling online courses. Do you have expertise in a particular field? Share your knowledge with the world by creating engaging, valuable courses on platforms like Udemy, Coursera, or Teachable. With the right marketing, your courses can generate passive income for years to come. But wait, there's more. Stick around because in just a moment we'll reveal a secret tip that can potentially skyrocket your online earnings. You won't want to miss it. 3. Affiliate marketing. If you're looking for a way to earn money while you sleep, affiliate marketing is the answer. Simply put, it's promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Find products or services that align with your interests and create valuable content around them. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale offer a wide range of affiliate opportunities. 4. Dropshipping. Ever thought about starting your own e-commerce business without the hassle of managing inventory? Enter dropshipping. This business model allows you to sell products without holding any stock. You only purchase the product from your supplier when you make a sale. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make it easy to set up your online store and start dropshipping. But before we dive into the next tip, I have a question for you. Are you ready to take control of your financial future in 2023? If the answer is yes, keep watching because the next strategy could be a game changer. 5. Content creation. If you love making videos, writing blogs, or creating engaging social media content, don't underestimate the power of content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Medium offer monetization options once you build a loyal audience. Remember, consistency, niche selection, and audience engagement are the keys to success in content creation. 6. Virtual assistants. Here's a hidden gem. Virtual assistants. Many entrepreneurs and businesses are looking for remote help with tasks like email management, scheduling, and customer support. If you're organized and tech-savvy, consider offering virtual assistant services on platforms like Upwork or Remote Co. Are you excited about these online money-making strategies yet? Well, we're not done. In just a moment, we'll reveal the ultimate secret tip that could potentially change your life. Stay tuned. 7. Cryptocurrency investments. Now let's talk about the future of finance. Cryptocurrency investments. While it comes with risks, it's undeniable that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen incredible growth. Educate yourself, invest wisely, and consider diversifying your portfolio. Who knows, you could be sitting on a digital goldmine in the years to come. 8. E-commerce brand. If you've got a unique product idea and an entrepreneurial spirit, consider building your e-commerce brand. Platforms like Amazon, FBA, and Etsy make it easier than ever to sell your products to a global audience. Remember, branding, marketing, and customer service are crucial for long-term success. And now the moment you've been waiting for, the secret tip that could potentially skyrocket your online earnings. Are you ready for it? Brace yourself because this tip is a game changer. Secret tip: passive income streams. In 2023, focus on creating multiple streams of passive income. Whether it's through dividend stocks, real estate investments, or creating digital assets like ebooks, the key is to let your money work for you. Building passive income streams provides financial security and freedom. There you have it, folks. Practical strategies to earn money online in 2023. Remember, success in the online world requires dedication, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Now it's your turn to take action and seize the opportunities that await you in the digital landscape. If you found this video valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also looking to earn money online. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to achieve financial freedom. And remember, your journey to online success begins with that first step. So what are you waiting for? Start today and turn your dreams into reality.